Welcome to Anna Solution Zone. Today, in this video, I'm going to show you how to bypass iPhone X without signal using the free bypass tool called ByteBurst. By using this tool, you can also bypass from iPhone 6s to iPhone X and checkmate iPad models without signal for free. This tool is available on both Windows and Mac operating system. Both are completely free. Here, on my case, I'm using the Mac operating system. Before using this tool, we must have to change the device serial number first by using Magic CFG tool, which is also completely free and available on both Windows and Mac operating system. Please note that if your device is from iPhone 7 to iPhone X, then you can easily change the device serial number by using simple USB Lightning cable. But if your device is below iPhone 7, then you must have DCSD cable or Magico cable to change the device serial number. Likewise, check the screen for the iPad models. I will drop the download link of all these tools in the description or comment section. Please check it out. You can also download all these tools from Anna Solution Zone website. If you did not find the download link, then simply message me on Telegram. Now, let's start the video. First, open the Magic CFG tool. Click on I have read the disclaimer and agree. Now, take your device and connect it with the laptop by using USB Lightning cable. Here, we must have to put the device into DFU mode. If you know how to put the device into DFU mode manually, then you can simply proceed to it. But if you don't know how to put the device into DFU mode, then don't worry, we will go through it step by step. Here, we are taking help from Pro tool to put the device into DFU mode. Open the Pro tool. Click on Boot to DFU mode. Click on Start. The device will automatically goes into recovery mode. Now, read the on-screen instructions very carefully and click on Start when you are ready to put the device into DFU mode. Here, the device has successfully goes into DFU mode. Now, close the Pro tool and come back to Magic CFG tool. Click on Boot Purple mode. Tick on I do not have a DCSD. Then, click on Boot Purple mode. If you are using DCSD cable, then leave the small tick box as it is. Here, the device has been successfully booted into purple mode. Now, simply close this tab. And then, click on little refresh icon. Select USB modem. Click on Connect. Click on Read SYSCFG. And then click on Backup SYSCFG for the future reference. Now, write the serial number showing on the screen in the SN section. After that, please check the serial number twice to be sure. Please don't make any changes with the others fields unless you had an idea about what you are doing. Now, click on Write. Click on Factory Reset Device. Click on Yes, Erase my device. Click on OK. Then, click on Reboot iDevice, and wait for the device to be turned on. If your device keeps on booting just like this, then don't worry, some device keeps on booting after serial number changed. So, in such case, follow these steps. Take your device, and hold and quickly release volume up button. Again, hold and quickly release volume down button. Finally, keep holding power button until it goes to recovery mode. The process will be same for iPhone 7 to iPhone X. For below iPhone 7, you have to hold the power button and the home button simultaneously until it goes to recovery mode. Now, restore or flash the device by using iTunes or 3U Tools. Here, on my case, I'm using 3U Tools. Click on Go Flash. I had already downloaded the firmware files. In your case, you have to download it first. Now, click on Flash. Again, click on Flash. It will take several minutes to flash the device. So now, let's wait for the tool to complete the flash. Here, the tool shows that the flashing has been completed. Now, let's wait for the device to be turned on. Finally, the device has been turned on. Now, click on OK. And go to iDevice. Here, you can see that the serial number has been successfully changed. Now, close the 3U Tools and open ByteBurst Tool. Click on Detect. Click on Validate Registration. Here, it shows that the device is registered with ByteBurst. If it shows device is not registered, then simply message me on Telegram for registration. Now, click on OK. Here, method 1 is for those device having iOS version 12 and above, up to iOS version 14. And method 2 is for those device having iOS version 15 and above. So, choose the method as per your device iOS version. Here, the activation files has been successfully created. Now, click on OK. Here, on my case, it's on iOS version 16. So, I'm going to click on Boot Pongo OS. Click on Validate DFU. Again, we have to put the device into DFU mode. Open L Pro Tool again. Click on Boot to DFU mode. Click on Start. If the tool does not go to next step after the device goes to the recovery mode, then simply click on Close, and again click on Boot to DFU mode. Now, read the on-screen instructions very carefully, and click on Start when you are ready to put the device into the DFU mode. Here, the device has been successfully goes into DFU mode. Now, close the L Pro tool and come back to ByteBurst Tool. And click on Boot Pongo OS. Click on Validate DFU. Click on Load RAM Disk. After load RAM disk completed, click on Activate. Here, the tool shows that the device is unlocked. Now, let's wait for the device to be turned on. Boom! Here, the device has been successfully bypassed. Now, disconnect the cable and check all the settings, whether it is working perfectly or not. You can also turn off and turn on the device after successfully bypass for at least 2 times. You can also put Face ID, Touch ID and passcode lock on the screen. If you faced any issues during the bypass process, then please feel free to message me on Telegram. I will try my best to solve your issues. Also, if you find this video helpful, then please do like, comment, share, and subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching.